Hi, it's Pia Staro. Hello, Aquarius Placement. So, this is your end of the month love reading. Okay, so syempre, yes, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre po, no, kung may tanong, kung may tanong pagdating sa ating private reading, sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating grantor, message lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po ha, pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? Oo. Kung gusto nyo magpa-reading kay Perception, so message nyo lang po siya sa kanya pong FB page. And yeah, don't forget to follow. And sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, yan, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po kayo mag-chat. Okay? So, yeah, yun lang. And yes, don't forget to follow Kuya Dingsi. Okay. So, let's start your reading, Aqua. Oo. So, who is the person on your mind, Aqua? The person on Aquarius mind. Let's see. Ooh, the Six of Cups. So, mahalaga, importante sa'yo itong taong to actually. Some of you, pwedeng a past person sa energy. Let's see. What's with this Six of Cups? Justice in reversed. The Ace of Swords in reverse. At the bottom of the deck, the Two of Cups. Oh, Aqua. We have here Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Libra. Okay, so ang nakukuha ko pagdating sa taong ito, may mali. Okay, may mali pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay, there's conflicts. Excuse me, ba't nagaganon yung boses ko? What's with this justice? Tingnan natin po ha. Ano bang meron doon sa justice? Tingnan natin. In reversed. The Eight of the Eight of Wands. Itong taong to, kailangan mo tong alisan or inalisan mo na. Dumistansya na kahit sabihin natin mahirap at ayaw. Kasi may something eh. Okay, may mali sa sitwasyon. Pwedeng Cancer. Okay? So, this is your past, Aqua. Yeah, this is your past. Some of you, okay, kahit may mali sa sitwasyon, may contact pa rin kayo sa isa't isa. Hindi nawawala yun. Hindi nawawala yung contact. Yes. Okay. So, ano bang meron sa situation ninyo, Aqua? Okay. The Three of Wands in reversed. Maraming fire sign na. Oo. Aries, Leo, Sag. Anong meron sa Three of Wands in reverse? Sana walang third party involved. Okay. The King of Pentacles in reversed. Someone is not ready pagdating sa responsibilities. Meron pong hindi handa pagdating sa mga responsibilidad. Okay? Pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay, Judgment is here. Ang nakuha ko rito, hindi kita hindi ma-fix ang sitwasyon kahit mahal natin ang isa't isa. May ganun ako narinig. Okay? Hindi may sasalba ng ating pagmamahala ng ating sitwasyon. Yes. Okay? So, some of you, may mga responsibilidad dito na hindi pwedeng talikuran. Okay? Yeah, the King of Wands in reverse, the Three of Cups. Big third party energy. Okay. Yung iba rito, same gender. Yeah. Pwedeng hindi kayo tanggap. Kaya ganyan. Pero you love each other. May ganun po, ha? Okay. So, anong magiging next action niya dito sa sitwasyon nyo. So, nakakuha ko na gusto ka pa rin ng taong to, mahal ka pa rin. Pero parang hindi kayang i-fix kung anong meron sa sitwasyon. Something na hindi pwedeng i-fix. Okay? The Knight of Swords. So, I think this is, communication lang. Yeah, the Five of Wands. The Five of Pentacles. This person, talagang they need you. Okay? They want you, they need you. Some of you, hindi ko nakukuha tong agad-agad na mangyayari pagdating sa next action. Some of you, Aqua, may chance na ilaban ka nito. Yes. May chance na ilaban ka. Kung ano man to, I don't know. Kung ano yung kailangan niyang ipaglaban sa sitwasyon. Hindi mawawala ang communication. Actually, hindi mawawala. Kung mawala man, alam pa rin kung saan ko contact, alam pa rin kung saan pupunta, something like that. Okay? Pero hindi totally mawawala yung communication. Yun ang nakukuha ko. Kasi mas mahirap sa kanila yung wala kayong komunikasyon Ayaw nila nun. Okay? And yes, darating sa punto na yung iba sa inyo ipaglalaban ng taong to. Kahit sabihin nating may sobrang mahirap na dahilan sa sitwasyon nyo para hindi ma-fix, gagawan ng paraan ito. I don't know how, I don't know what. Okay? Let's see. Ano ang advice for you or / outcome sa inyo, Aqua? See? Outcome as the sun. 'Di ba? This is something like boom. Okay? Happiness maybe. Okay? Some of you pwedeng Leo, Cancer, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Libra, a lot of fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Okay, this is taking action. Yeah. So, the sun, some of you, kung may chance, meron ditong pregnancy in the near future. Okay? What's with the sun? Yeah. The Three of Cups. Okay? Meron ako dito nakukuhang energy talaga sa taong to, Aqua, na kaya ka nitong ilaban. Yes. Babalik at babalik yan, di ka niyan iiwan. Kung ano man ang mangyari. Some of you, hindi lang talaga naaayon ang sitwasyon sa inyong dalawa, pero yes. Solid, oo, pagdating sa taong ito, yung goal niya, yung plano niya, na maging successful or magkaroon ng victory sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, ito, yeah. If there's third party here, magkakaroon ng fallout. May mga maghihiwalay, actually. Yeah. So, may chance. Nakikita ko rito. Kung kayo ng taong ito is sabihin nating nagkaroon ng mga pagsubok with a third party, sabihin nating magkakaroon ng magandang kalalabasan yung sitwasyon nyo. Kung nagkaroon ng hindi magandang issue sa marriage ninyo or sa mahabang pagsasama ninyo, mafi-fix yun if ever. Okay? Yeah. There's pregnancy for some of you. Okay? Yun nga lang, maraming pagsubok ang daraanan nito. Nitong connection nyo na to. Yan marami. Okay. So, yun. Ang nakukuha ko. Ang nakikita ko kasi is this person or maybe both of you, kailangan nyo talaga na piliin muna yung positive side. Okay, yung piliin nyo muna yung kailangan at yung dapat sa sitwasyon. Okay? So, yun. So, tayo ay tumungo na sa all signs for Aquarius. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries, they want to commit. Taurus, so medyo nawawala na. Oo. Yung strings, oo, strings na nag-attach sa inyo. Gemini, they want to talk. Some of you, pwedeng makakuha ka ng fast communication with this Gemini. Cancer, they want na magkaroon ng sabihin nating parang itama or magkaroon ng tama nung pagdating sa sitwasyon nyo. May mga aayusin. Some of you, they want marriage. Okay, with you. Leo, they're bitter. Yeah, they're sad. Virgo, they're dropping you. They're like surrendering. Libra, they're waiting. Thinking of you a lot. Scorpio, they want to end the cycle. Okay? Sagittarius, they need you. Capricorn, okay, they're interested sa'yo like sa physical lang. Okay? Some of you, you have this on and off with this Capricorn. A lot of delays. Aquarius, they want to rush things. Okay? Kung ano man ang meron, gusto nila like minamadali. Okay? Pisces, a lot of drama, problems. Masyadong magulo ang sitwasyon with these Pisces. Okay? So there, yun ang ating reading for you, Aquarius placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!